Hello, I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by consuming the right ingredients, and so have hundreds of our clients, and you can too. Our goal here is to help thousands of people lose millions of pounds, and you can be a part of that journey. So take notes on the video, and hopefully this gets you started on your weight loss journey. Now, ladies, specifically ladies here, are you wondering how your weight loss impacts your hormones? Stay tuned. I want to break down how weight loss can actually work with your body and not against it, especially for the long run. Okay. And I want to preface by saying female hormones are more powerful than man hormones because you guys are meant to birth children. So your body actually gets a way bigger influx of hormones compared to a guy because they do not get as much influx of hormones as we will not get pregnant and so forth. It's a different subject. Let's focus on the hormones with the weight loss. So please do understand, besides the fact that you can have children, there's things like your menstrual cycle and your menopause that also impact your hormones consistently, right? You are at a consistent up and down swing because of the way your body is metabolically made, which is a negative to some people because they use it against themselves and not to their advantage. What I mean by that is I personally believe that because your hormones are more powerful than a man's bodies of hormones, you have the capability to really expedite your weight loss. And on top of that, fix your hormonal imbalances easier. Through the years of testing, yes, men tend to lose the weight a little faster at first, but women actually end up healing their bodies quicker than men do. And I've seen this from years of literally testing the bodies, tracking their blood count, and using the SMART scale to understand how their metabolic age is reacting to those ingredients. So understand you are at a defect if you don't start, but if you begin a weight loss journey, your changes will in the long run have you healing faster than any other man. If your husband's always yelling at you like, oh, you're overweight, you need to lose it, how come I can? You can lose it too. Don't be afraid, and you'll lose it faster and better than him once your body clicks in a metabolic shift. Now, how does the weight loss actually impact your hormones? There are two ways to think about this, okay? One, if you are not using our type of regimen and living a low-carb lifestyle, you are going to have a very, very big long-term imbalance, even if you are losing the weight. Many women I have seen had started their journeys by removing a lot of foods and still eating high sugar or high intake of carbohydrates, or lowering their amount per meal and thinking that if they do 4 to 5 meals a day, it would actually allow them to lose weight. And scientifically, it might work at first, but it is not actually going to work for the long run, and you will feel miserable. Where if you do a regimen like this and we switch your body from burning sugar to burning fat as its source of primary fuel, you will not have the up and down swings of the hormonal imbalances. Because if you are not consuming carbohydrates and sugar throughout your day, you are not going to get those insulin spikes. I'll put a graph here showing you, look, when you consume carbohydrates or sugars, this is how much your body spikes insulin compared to the protein and compared to when you're consuming healthy, clean fats. So that is why it is very, very important to understand that during your weight loss journey, how are you consuming the food and what are the macros that you are consuming every day? Because for the long run, you can make your weight loss journey easy and you don't have to make it difficult, challenging, and stressful. And please understand, using this type of method and regimen, for example, keto in itself, you are going to benefit conditions like your PCOS, and you'll fix so many hormonal imbalances. And that is the most important part from the regimen and the metabolic shift of what we are doing here at the Weight Loss Paradise. Some tips I want to give you for optimizing your weight loss as a woman. First off, the first couple of days are the most difficult because you're going through the withdrawal effect of being consistently used to sugar and carbohydrates, spiking your insulin. Your hormones are stronger than ours. So as you are consuming that, you are craving it way more than a guy like me would. And that does give you a bit of a defect, but that doesn't mean it's going to last for a while. And once we get through the first day or two hump, you will easily be able to start burning the fat quickly and efficiently. As again, your body on ketones will actually heal faster than a man's body on ketones. And this is from years of watching our clients do. We've actually had more female clients than men, So I have seen this happen. Many women feel deterred at first because they're stressing or struggling to do it. Don't think that way. You can easily do this journey and fix PCOS and many of the hormonal imbalances that occur from the wrong ingredients entering your system and shooting up insulin consistently throughout the day. A couple of tips for you. Be patient at the start of your weight loss journey. And the next tip would be begin as soon as possible. The longer you put it away or push it, you're basically kicking the can down the road, and it will then make it more difficult to be able to sustain yourself. And the goal here is to fix your hormonal imbalances. And the minute you start, you will easily feel the changes and you will see the journey benefiting you for the long run. We are now offering you a chance to enter for a free monthly coaching or a free retreat, and we will do the drawing once a month. You can also enter once a month by using the link below. We'll see you in paradise, and we'll see you on the other side of your weight loss journey. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Remember, it is never too late to start your weight loss journey, and no matter if you're a guy or a female or whatever, you do not have to hold yourself back. You can do it, and we believe in you. I'll see you guys in paradise.